Okay, so nothing really feels more like summer than how about some s'mores by a bonfire at night? And now you can do it at home. Here to explain how, City Bonfires co-founder and CEO Chris McCasland. Chris, good morning, and thanks for joining us from Maryland. It's kind of toasty out there, isn't it?
Hey, good morning. Yeah, it's a little hot out here, but it's never too hot to get outside and make some s'mores, especially in the morning. You know, get the day kicked off right.
Breakfast of champions, you got it. Okay, talk to me. A bonfire at home. How?
Yeah, so back in 2020, when we were stuck at home here, we were trying to entertain the children and doing the best we can while they were out of school and whatnot. So we came up with a mini portable bonfire in a can. It's a 2-inch by 4-inch stainless steel can. We use food grade non-toxic soy wax, so it's safe to burn marshmallows, cook hot dogs, boil water, whatever you want to do over it. But s'mores is the most fun, obviously, right? And so we made them. We took some photos, made some Facebook ads, and it's really taken off from there. It's been a wild ride.
How cool is that? Obviously, they're portable. I mean, you sent one to us here, and we have it all here. Literally, you have everything you can think of, and you kind of open this thing up, and you can take it anywhere, right? And here's that, right here. Look, there you have it. It's right there.
Yeah, we like to say it's a bonfire in your pocket, right? So it can go wherever you go. It's perfect for, emergency cases, right? We've had people use it when their power's out and to boil water and, cook ramen, whatever it may be. And, we like to come out in the afternoon, evenings and have a little dessert with the kids, make s'mores. And it's really just a fun time to bring the family together.
Dude, this kid got the whole hookup, man. The Hershey's, you got the graham crackers, you got the marshmallows right here. I was told they don't want me to set fires inside the studio though, dude. So that's up to you now to kind of show us how it works. I see a flame going there, but they told me don't do it in the studio.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing it there, but we use them outside, and it's easy. It's 4 food grade non-toxic briquettes. You light the 4 briquettes. It's essentially a large candle with 4 big flames. You hold the s'mores right, the marshmallows right over, and you get a nice golden brown tint to it.
Yep.
Get it going here. Depends how you like them. You get them burned, or you can, just do an easy light toast to it.
Right.
And, before you know it, you're putting it on the gram, getting your chocolate out there. It's a little hot while it's getting set up out here, so the chocolate's a little melted for us already. And we're rocking and rolling.
How long does this thing burn for if you want to kind of set it up and have the kids out there? Like how long?
Yeah, so the can will burn for a total of 4 to 5 hours.
Oh, get out of here. Wow.
How hot it is out here.
Cool.
Yeah, you can see here you've got a nice toast to it there, right?
That's impressive.
And you can put it out just like a candle, right? So you can extinguish it by just sliding the lid over, just like so.
Look at me, I'm opening this stuff up.
You don't have to worry about the soot and, anything flying out in the embers. So, you can put it out, reuse it 10 minutes later, 10 days later, a year later, whatever you'd like, just like a normal candle.
This is super cool. I like that it comes with instructions for knuckleheads like me, who maybe don't know what this is, so I love that it burns for 4 to 5 hours. Isn't that cool? What's in this little packet here? This looks like 4 pencils. What are these?
Yeah, so those are portable skewers there. So they have, there's a red stick, you slide the skewer on top, and then you could use those for marshmallows as well, or hot, whatever you'd like to cook over the bonfire.
I'll see, it looks like a pencil, see? And then, then you put the thing in there. Oh, there you go, look at that.
Yeah, exactly, yep, then you put your marshmallows on there and you're rolling.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, what's this other thing in the packet with the instructions? I'm asking you all these questions. I'm like opening this up, it's like Christmas morning over here, I love it.
So that's what we call our lid buddy. So it has a magnet on the top, so you can use that magnet to put the lid on and off. If you don't want to get your hand right there to slide it and extinguish the flame out.
Cool.
The lid buddy also has a slot on the top that you could put a skewer in as well. So that can double as a s'mores skewer and the lid buddy with the magnet.
You've thought of everything. I mean, this is crazy. I love it. What else do you guys sell?
Oh, we have a whole array of things. We have our the s'mores kit like you guys have there in the studio. We have special editions, a USA version with special red and blue marshmallows. We now just received the Dubai chocolate, so we have a Dubai chocolate kit.
Oh, you're on top of it.
Yeah. Well, my wife is. I just do what I'm told. Yes, we have a ton of different things.
Yeah.
Our newest product is called the chair blanket, which is a reversible waterproof chair cover. So the backside's
Cool.
waterproof. The front side is a soft Sherpa fleece material.
Wow.
So if you walk outside and your chair's wet and the dew, you slide that over and you're sitting right down, very cozy.
Dude, this is so cool. All the information, if you guys want one of these things, we'll post it all on our website, fox5sandiego.com. Click the Scene On tab. What's this little metal plate thing again? What was it? Just to put it on, like your little...
That's a trivet that you can set the bonfire on top of there.
Oh, I see.
Yep, exactly.
Dude, you got it all. Hey, man, appreciate the time. I was just telling him I was in your neck of the woods like last summer, and it was a good time. Good people over there at Camden Yard. Shout out. Chris, thank you. Continued success. Thanks for taking the time. Happy summer.
Yeah, thank you. You too. CityBonfires.com. We have it all there. Thank you very much.